If you would give me 90 seconds to convince you that Optima is the perfect fit for your fiber-based packaging future, here's what I would say. Start the clock. We offer the broadest technology portfolio in the market, from dry molded fiber to paper thermoforming and paperboard forming. That makes us the one-stop partner for any rigid fiber packaging. Our technology is built on high-performance engineering. Coming from decades of experience in high-speed filling and packaging, we have now developed the fastest fiber forming machine in the world, the Fiber One Pro. In addition, we have developed a new paperboard technology to produce gas-tight cups and cans with highest performance. Optima delivers turnkey solutions, not just forming, but also barrier technologies, cutting, stacking, filling, and end-of-line systems. Everything can be integrated, everything is scalable. We combine this with material flexibility and deep development support like packaging development, prototyping, testing, even bridge volumes produced in our fiber center in Schwäbisch Hall. And here is the difference. For us, fiber is nothing new. We are the rigid packaging experts since over 100 years. Product protection, functionality, and packaging quality are part of our DNA. We are making fiber packaging industrial, reliable, and scalable. The same Optima quality and partnership now driving the future of fiber-based packaging.
And with the remaining seconds on the clock, make sure to visit our Home of Fiber website for further information.